Keep climbing. Just consider it an adventure.
Yeah. Sounds like you're poor. Kind of. I fell 2 stories.
Yes, you did.
Would I die?
Well, you didn't die, did you?
Was I lucky?
You were lucky.
Okay. Help.
All right.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go back in.
Turn around. Tell me what happened.
Well, I was trying to just get an ice scoop and I fell.
You fell where?
Towards 2 stories high. Oh my